So what is good guys, Adnan here, and with the year coming to its end, it is no better time for me to showcase to you all the best Android apps of the entire year. The apps have been chosen not only by the success in terms of downloads and popularity, but also due to the apps being the most crowd favorite. Let's begin to see what we have in store. Backdrops is without a doubt the year's best wallpaper app for Android. It showcases some of the best wallpapers out there. There are various categories which help you to find your pick easier, and the wallpapers are nicely laid out with a touch of the sweet material design. What makes Backdrops unique is its simplicity in design, a dope set of wallpapers, and constant updates to add many more new wallpapers. Flyso solves the problem of having lack of storage to store 3 or 4 different social media applications. The app simply puts down a mobile web version of the biggest 4 social networking giants: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Google+. The app itself is super lightweight and the UI seems to be okay, considering the amount of functionality it holds. There's an app-wide dark theme and that's it. No other gimmicky feature which comes in your way of surfing through your newsfeed. MSQRD is probably the year's most innovative app. While the idea just rolled out behind Snapchat's filters, this app takes it to an entirely new level. Launch the app, activate your ugly face for some selfie action, choose your filter, and boom! The AI and motion tracking indeed is pretty flawless with the app, and constant updates never end. This app needs no introduction, literally. Snap a picture, apply one of the many gorgeous and unique filters available, and you have yourself an astonishing piece of art ready to roll out on your social media accounts. After months of its release on Android, the app has finally been a lot more stable, fast, and also been spruced up with a ton of new filters. If you are a photoholic, then Prisma is the way to go. Look of Disapproval is a really dope textmoji app that's available for free on the Play Store. It has a wide variety of text emojis, including the crowd favorite shrug ones. There are seriously a ton of text emojis to choose from, and one tap and you've got the shrug face copied. My favorite ones are the flipping table ones. What are yours? You can even assign your favorite ones in the custom category and also create your own, if you're feeling daring, that is. Yet another application that involves getting worldwide popularity in a breeze. Boomerang is an application made by Instagram which simply lets you take a few snaps, converts it into a short 5-second clip, and basically puts it in a motion, back and forth. There are obviously so many dope ways you can take a video. Man, the possibilities are endless. You might have seen and used an astonishingly unlimited amount of battery savers on an Android device in its lifetime, right? And none of them seem to work just flawlessly. That's because battery savers have been doing it wrong all this time. Pixel Battery Saver is an intuitive application that basically disables a grid of pixels on a device. Since your screen is literally filled with thousands of pixels, it wouldn't make any difference to your viewability from a distance. The app has many custom meshes to choose from, and you can get the Pro version to gain all of the custom options. Ever wondered what you can do with your device's flashlight? Well, Zeus lets you make your flashlight dance to a music's beat. Not only that, but there's a clap mode which does exactly that. Once it detects a clap, it either turns on or off. My favorite mode is the music one, where it literally responds to the beat. This app is definitely a must-have on your Android device. Don't have time to create dope-looking typography intros or outros for a quick little video? Well, Legend solves it all. With just a few taps, you will be able to create yourself a great-looking intro or outro, or as I like to use it, a title animation. The app has dozens of styles and color schemes to choose from. For being able to use it for a video, make sure you download it as 1080p in landscape. You can even use the Messenger's integration to quickly send a GIF or a GIF or a GIF of the same. Chroma has definitely got to be my favorite keyboard till date. Not only does it borrow Google's material design the right way, but it is also able to ironically surpass it. The reason why it is already a crowd favorite is due to its color changing capabilities. The keyboard automatically adapts to the app you're using and changes its color accordingly. For perspective, while using WhatsApp, it changes its color to green, and while using Facebook Messenger, it turns all blue. While using Instagram, it turns all white. Also the same for Google Allo. Well guys, that's been it for this video. If you guys liked what you saw, then why not leave a like down below and also consider subscribing. Stay tuned for a lot more exciting videos coming up very soon.